could hop into the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward